Hey, Britton from Percy here. I just want to show you how you can take an existing listing and optimize it with Percy. So maybe you already have a listing already written out, but it's not optimized for SEO. Maybe you have a listing and you have very little written already. I'll just show you step by step how you can do this from the start to finish. So we have a listing here for girls' clothing sets. The first thing we want to do is find keywords for this listing. So we will start in Percy's Auto SEO tool. I'm going to do a reverse ASIN search here. I've just found two um, listings that are high up in the search results for this category. I'm going to hit search and we'll get a good keyword list to start from. Then we'll refine it using Percy's AI. Search, search, search. Here we go. Okay, step two is we want to pick our keyword strategy. This will depend on your seller authority and the market you're in and all that kind of stuff. To keep this simple, I'll just keep with highest search volume. I'm going to call this product Girls Athletic Clothing Set. Athletic Clothing Set. And the brand is Essen Clo. And the first thing we're going to do is remove all the other brands. I clicked auto remove other brands. Other competitor brands are against Amazon's terms of service, so you always want to remove those. The next thing we want to do is find unrelated keywords, and here's where this gets cool. We just want to give Percy all the product details that we have about this product. So I'm going to copy this entire title, and I'm going to put it here. And I'm also going to copy whatever bullets you have. So whatever you've got, just grab it, copy and paste into the product details section here. And Percy will use that to understand your product. I've just clicked auto remove unrelated keywords. And what Percy's doing is looking at our keyword list and figuring out what of these keywords doesn't match this product. That means that all the keywords we have left are really relevant to the product we want to write for. So now we've got 90 great keywords we're going to use. I'll click send to listing generator. And the great thing is now we're all ready to go. We've got our product details in here. We've got the name of the product. We've got our brand. We can play with any settings we want to fiddle with. For instance, I'll make this a friendly tone of voice because this is girls' clothing. One thing that many people like to do is if you want to keep the bullet topics that you have, so for instance, this one, the top bullet is classic loose fit. If you want to keep these, you can put that into your bullet topic so that you're writing about the same points of your product. Or you can leave that alone and Percy will do it for you automatically. We've got our keywords all here. I'm just going to hit go so you can see what comes out the other side. So we've got our keywords here. We've got our product details up here. Percy is using this information to rewrite all of the pieces of your listing. If you really just want to optimize and not particularly rewrite anything, probably using the bullet topics is the best way to get a really consistent listing with what you already had. And then what you're going to end up with is the same topics, just optimized with keywords all over the place. So here we go. Here's our finished listing. You can see all the green underlines here. These are our keywords. They get crossed off when they're in exact phrase form. We've got 33 keywords optimized in there, 210,000 search volume. Give it a check. Rewrite anything if you want to. If you want to rewrite something, just click that button. We've got our backend search terms down there. And that's pretty much it. We're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Chat soon.